Good evening, friends. Why is the boatman rowing his boat? Why this place is filled with water everywhere? Friends, this is a low-lying area, and during the summer season, this place takes the form of natural lake or seasonal lake during summer season. I think this might be due to the waterlogging. Waters are blocked or stuck here. No other means to send out water from here. This might be due to the lack of water holes. See the sunset here in the evening. That looks great and beautiful. The cows are grazing here. The sky is clear and looking beautiful, and we are on a bike, riding on a bike here. Friends, this is the place where I occasionally come for my evening walk. An evening walk which I greatly valued, and I ventured myself to spend time on evening walk and enjoy the beauty of nature here. See the sky. Friends, as this is the low-lying area where you can see only water and water everywhere, and by the evening it's a nice place to have a short evening walk in an open place. The breeze so cool and pleasant. My mind and heart filled with happiness and joy seeing its beauty. How much we often do take time and enjoy being part of nature. I am tired of living a bored life and got frustrated in life. I only remember nature and its sight. Can it really give peace? Yes, friends, it can. It really gives us peace of mind and rest to our heart. Each day when we wake up from sleep, we see nature, the most important thing in the world. We not only admire its beauty, but we get many useful things from nature for our day-to-day living. But people often forget about it and neglect it. But when they happen to notice its beauty, they get lost in the beauty of it. But how much often do we take time and enjoy the beauty of nature? Yes, friends, we remember nature only when we are tired or become frustrated from day-to-day living.